Hello, welcome back. We are back to work on some summer school 2020, our extended school year, day 21. We'll start out day 21 work with some subtraction problems. These are word problems. The directions are: count the objects, solve each problem. So for number 1, we've got how many cookies here? 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 cookies here. Let's read the story problem. Daryl has 3 cookies. He eats 2 cookies. How many cookies are left? So if you look very closely at the cookies, 2 of the cookies have X's in them to show us the 2 cookies that Daryl ate. All right, so here's our number sentence. Daryl started out with 3 cookies. He took away or ate 2 of them. And that equals how many? How many cookies are left after Daryl eats 2? 1. 1 cookie is left. So 3 take away 2 equals 1 cookie left. Very nice. Let's do number 2. We'll count the objects first. Count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and let's read the story problem. There are 6 bananas. Pablo eats 3 bananas. How many bananas are left? So we counted the 6. 3 of the bananas have X's in them, showing us the bananas that Pablo ate. So we started out with 6 bananas, take away 3. Pablo ate 3, and that equals how many bananas left? 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas are left. Good job. Let's go on to the next one. Number 3, let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's read the story. There are 7 rabbits. 4 rabbits hop away. How many rabbits are left? So we counted our 7 rabbits, and there are X's on 4 of the rabbits. That means 4 of the rabbits hop away. So we start out with 7 rabbits, take away 4, 4 hop away, equals how many rabbits left? How many do not have X's? 3. 3 rabbits are left. All right, one more problem. This is number 4. There are 5 flowers. Emma picks 2 flowers. How many flowers are left? So we start out with the 5 flowers. 2 of the flowers have X's. That means 2 of them were picked. Start out with 5, take away 2, 2 are picked, equals how many flowers left? How many flowers do not have X's? 3. 3 flowers are left. Excellent. Great job on subtraction. We're going to go on to the next part and work on some grammar or some writing. All right, we did some of this work at school. When we start out with an object, this is ice cream, and we write words to describe the object. So let's think of some words that describe ice cream. Well, is ice cream hot or cold? It's cold. What other word describes ice cream? Maybe creamy? Is ice cream sweet or sour? I suppose it could be either, but usually ice cream is sweet. And how about one more word? What's a word that might describe the ice cream cone? The cone might be, let's write the cone. The cone might be soft or crunchy. Hopefully crunchy. Sometimes it gets a little soft when it's stale, but usually ice cream cones are crunchy. Number 6, watermelon. Let's write some words that describe watermelon. What color is watermelon? On the inside, it's usually red. On the outside, it's usually green. Does watermelon taste sweet or sour? Usually sweet. And is watermelon dry or juicy? Juicy. All right, there are some words to describe watermelon. Great job on grammar. Let's turn the page over and we're going to work on some language arts. The first part, let's read the directions. Unscramble each sentence. Write the words in the correct order. Here are the words. They're mixed up right now. Sun, shine, today, will, the. That doesn't make sense. Let's put the words in order. I'm going to put the word the first because it's capitalized. the. What word should I put next? Probably sun. The sun. The sun. Now we need an action word, something that the sun does or will do. How about the sun will shine? The sun will shine. Let's go ahead and cross those words out. Will shine today. And I ended my sentence with a period. The sun will shine today. Next one, number 8. Mile today I walked. Does not make sense. Let's put those words in order. I'm going to start out with I. I what? I mile, I today, I walked. I walked makes the most sense. I walked today, I walked a mile. I walked a mile today. And we end our sentence with a period. Next one, number 9. Fence, we painted our. That does not make sense. We need to put those words in order and make a sentence that makes sense. Let's start with the word we. It is capitalized, so that gives me a clue that it might be the first word. We what? We fence, we painted. That makes sense. We painted. We painted fence, or we painted our fence. That makes sense. We painted our fence. Period. We painted our fence. Good. One more, number 10. Me knit will she something for. Doesn't make sense. Let's put those words in order. I'll start with she because it is capitalized and it gives me a clue that it's the first word in the sentence. She, me, she knit will, or she will knit. That makes sense. She will knit. She will knit me something for. She will knit something for me. She will knit something for me, period. She will knit something for me. There we go. Awesome. Right, and we've got one more activity here at the bottom. We're going to write the words from the word bank right here. Let's move it up. So we'll write the words from the word bank in alphabetical order. So we've got all these words and we need to write them in alphabetical order. I wrote the alphabet up here to help us in case we get stuck. So let's look at these words. The first letter in the alphabet is A. None of these words start with A. So let's go on to the next letter, B. Do any of these words start with B? Yes, big. Cross it out. And we can also cross out A and B. The next letter in the alphabet is C. Do any of the words start with C? No. What about D? No. E? No. F? Yes. Fast. What about the letter G? Yes. Let's make sure there are no other G's. Nope, just this one. So go. Cross out G. What about H? No. I? No. J? No. K? No. L? There's an L. Little. Are there any other L's? No. So we'll write little on the line. Cross it out. Cross out L. What about M? No. No M's. No N's. Here's an O. It's the only O. So we'll put that word next. Out. What about P? No. Q? No. R? No. S? Oh, look at this. 2 S's. What do? We look at the next letter. S-L, S-T. Which comes first in the alphabet? L or T? Here's L, here's T. L comes first, so slow would come before stop. Slow goes first, then stop. And we have one last word, up. Great job on alphabetical order. And we are finished with day 21 work. Nice job, and I will see you next time.